Hello, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video today. This is the last day of cards using our card candy from our February team meeting. And the two card candies I want to share today, this one is from Ginger Bales. Ginger used the Kite Delight and the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. And then Sharon Milburn used the Rainbow of Happiness bundle as well, along with a couple other things for each one. We have some cloud punches, we have our borders dies, some other elements, to add to it. And these are so cute. I love these, and many of the same colors. I love how some of our demonstrators are just thinking so much alike. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna start with Gingers. And just remember, basic cards today using the card candy. I love these things. Okay, there's Ginger's card. I wanted to use this kite. I love this kite set. I have this one too, but I did not even think to use it for card candy. So I'm just going to do a black card base and then a layer of Pool Party. I'm going to find my seal adhesive. Everything is just kind of stacked on my desk here today. Let's get this on relatively straight. And then I pulled one of these stitched scallop dies out of this. I think it's Stitched So Sweetly. This was just in the middle of it was sitting on top of my scrap box. My scrap box is overflowing, so I need to use it up. And whoops, boy, that just jumped right on there. I'm just gonna stick this right in the middle. Wham, I'm done. Isn't that cute? I love that. I don't want that to stick though. I think I'm gonna pop a little dimensional right there so it doesn't stick down. Okay, let's get into there. Perfect. Isn't that cute? I am loving that one. I mean, how you can't get any easier than that. Okay, let's do one more. We're just using some basic white here. And this is a piece of the Pattern Party. It's the Host Designer Series paper pack. Pattern Party pattern. I can't remember. But it has kind of this little rainbow stripe in there with all the same colors. So I thought this would be perfect for this one. Cute! I mean, oh my gosh. How easy was that? Okay, I'm going to save these two for later for another card. Another two cards, and let's pop out Sharon's here. Okay, set these kind of over there. Now with this one, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just got a piece of basic white. I already had a bunch of these cut from the other ones. So we're going to use this, and then I cut a piece of Misty Moonlight. She's got a little border piece here that I really want to use. And it's a little bit longer. I'm not sure what I want to do with this. Let's just kind of set it down here. No, I'm going to use that on the other one. Part of me wants to use this big one here. Right here. Let me think for a minute. All right, this is the first one that I probably cut colors that I don't want. I'm going to save that. I feel like that's too dark. Let's see if we have... give me just a second. Let's cut. I have some Pool Party. Let's see how that looks. A piece of Pool Party right here. Let's do that instead of the Misty Moonlight. I think that's what's wrong. I think that's better. And then Oh, you know what? Hold on. I also have this. I'm thinking, I think I might want to just cut a piece to go across here. Yep, that's what we need. This is also from the pattern party, the host paper. Let's cut what we need. This needs to be 4. Let me grab my trimmer here. You know, sometimes when you're just making cards and the pieces are so pretty, you just want to do justice to it, right? So sometimes you have to pivot. Pivot on what you're doing if it's not looking right. And that Misty Moonlight, although I love it, was not the right color. Okay. Let's see if we can get our hearts here. It's popping over a little bit. That's because I didn't put it on straight, but that's okay. Things don't always go on straight. We know what that's like. Let's just trim that. And no one has to know it's not perfectly straight. Okay, I'm gonna pop this up with a couple of dimensionals. All right. Pop this up. I'm gonna do it a little off center because this goes off to that side. Perfect. The colors look so much better going this way because they have matching green apple green, mango, we have Bermuda Bay. Excited! Love that one. Okay, let's do this other one. Now I hope I do this one justice by what I picked out. I'm just using another basic white card base. And I thought I would do this one, the little tag. But I pulled a couple pieces. Now Sharon had used some of the Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper. And I thought I'd just cut a couple pieces here and see how that looked. I don't know. I might be messing this one up too. Okay, too much pattern. Let's just try one. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm struggling with this today. Let's try this one. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. What are we gonna do? This one is not too bad with the paper. Kind of like that side too. All right. All right, let's try one thing and see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll just scrap it. All right, so I cut, this is 3. I'm gonna cut it in 2. I'm gonna cut it in 1-inch pieces. There's 1. Two, 3. Okay, let's see. Let's just get this out of our line of sight. Oh, that looked like a pair of jeans right there. Doesn't it look like a pair of sparkly pajama pants? Okay. And I'm wondering if I put those together like that, maybe do that. You know, I just don't think so. I don't know. I was doing so good with all these others until this one moment. I think this piece is just too small. Okay, hold on. Let's see what we can do. Where is that paper? Let's just bring out my stack of paper and see what looks cute on here. Let's look at this one. I want something that's not too busy. You know, that I like it, but I'm worried because of it's mango on mango. But you know, I might have a solution. Hold on. I have another one of these left over. So let's try this. All right, we're gonna make it work. We must do justice to the gorgeousness of this card. So let's cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. We're just gonna make this the whole front mat. And this is just little bitty sunshines. Whoops. Oh no, I've run out of seal adhesive. So let's just grab our glue here, and we'll just, if you're using this Tombow glue, just make it very thin. Very thin. You don't want big lines of glue. Okay. All right, I think we have it. I'm just gonna do straight. Instead of trying to do it at an angle, which is what I wanted to do, but I'm feeling like we need to go with straightness. We're gonna pop that up though. I think 2 will be plenty. Okay, I'm gonna trim this down just a hair because it's going up a little past my card. It's okay if it goes a hair, but you don't want it too much or it'll get all wrinkly on the envelope. Okay, that's it. It's not perfectly straight. Don't look at that. Let me squish it over just a little bit. Okay. All right, I feel like that did it justice. Yay! I don't know why it was so hard, because they're so cute and they're sparkly. Look at how, to show you, she used on the clouds some of the new, hold on, it's called, is it Mother of Pearl? Yes, Mother of Pearl specialty paper. It's in the mini catalog, page 87. I'm gonna put this up and see if you can see. You see how it's got that iridescent shine to it? Isn't that gorgeous? And it's like a glossy finish too. And then we have Wink of Stella on the rainbow. It's so sparkly, I just want to do justice to it. But I think I like the hearts. I might have scooted those over. It's too late now. We're just going to go with it. All right. Thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my team swaps in February. We had a lot of fun with it. I still have enough card candy pieces to probably make another, I don't know, 20 or 30 cards. So I am going to work on that this weekend. And I will probably post all of those on my Facebook group. So make sure to join our Facebook group. It's Crew Stampers Forum on Facebook. Just ask to join and we will let you in. And if you would like measurements and supplies, make sure to click on the link below to my blog. And if you purchase any of these items with an online order using my host code this month, I will send you a gift in the mail. So thanks so much, and I will see you back here next time. All right, bye-bye.